Export-import practical. Learn from real entrepreneurs. Topic: How to start export-import business from home. In this video, we will give you a step-by-step instructions how to start import-export business from home, from scratch, and with small money. Step 1. Research market and select products. First of all, you shall put together a raw list of the potential products you could start selling. Think about what is currently popular and selling well in your country or some other countries. Perhaps you see some TV commercial very often. To get more ideas, you can go to Amazon, select best sellers, and search from the left the suitable category for you. Then you can see the top selling products in different categories, which is good indicator to determine the product demand. So, if you want to start export-import business from home, then you shall finally pick the products which stands out best in different aspects. Say, we advise to create an Excel sheet and compare each the products there. Step 2. Source your suppliers. In this stage, you shall contact local manufacturers and also foreign ones. As you have chosen your product, what you start selling, in your home-based export-import business, then it is easier task for you. If you are looking good suppliers for your home-based export-import business, then craft the buying request in detail. State the parameters, prices, payment terms, delivery terms. We advise to start sourcing your suppliers from Alibaba. You can send buying request very easily, and you can expect to receive quotations from different suppliers globally. After you receive the offers, you need to analyze these. Compare their prices, delivery terms, support, payment terms, etc. Certainly, contact them directly, learn more about them, negotiate prices. Finally, you shall be able to pick up suppliers. Step 3. Set up your business website. Once you have identified your customers, market, product, suppliers, and you are ready to build the sales process, then the next step would be the domain name registration and website creation. Step 4. Organize delivery processes and smooth custom clearing. To start accepting orders for your home-based export-import business, you need to think draft and organize delivery procedures and custom procedures. So, if order comes, you can deliver all fastly, and delivery will pass the customs smoothly. We advise to contact common delivery and freight forwarding companies like DSV, DHL, UPS, TNT. Contact them and explain your business and products. Usually, they can provide one-stop services, means they can take care of delivery, custom, documentation. Step 5. Set up a formal business. To start export-import business from home, you will need a formal business entity at some stage. You need the easiest and most affordable form of business entity. In different countries, the possibilities are different. We advise to search and contact your country business registration bureau or other similar institution. The solo proprietorship or limited liability would be best legal entity to use. After you have your formal company registered, you should open bank account to receive international currencies and payments from different countries. Step 6. Marketing and generating sales. Customers will not find you, your store, your website, or your Facebook page just because you have started your business. You have to do marketing to get customers on your business website and getting them actually buy. Potential buyers are those who are in demand for the product you provide but have never purchased your product. However, they can become real customers if you have good marketing. We have online export-import courses, and also personal business mentoring program. We advise to check our programs, and enroll into our most popular online export-import business course, www.exportimportpractical.com.